Hi, welcome back. One of my viewers, Johnny, asked a question. He's seeing a negative 13 on his diesel particulate differential pressure sensor, and I don't know if that's the outlet number or the actual pressure across the diesel particulate filter, the drop, the restriction. So minus 13, that's a kind of a strange number. So what I would do is I would unplug the differential pressure sensor with the key off. I would key on, and I would look and see if the signal voltages were zeros. They should be for both portions of that sensor. That's a 4-wire sensor. There's 2 signal wires, so that's what you're looking at, signal voltages. And I think they're called the after treatment diesel particulate filter restriction, and then the after treatment diesel particulate filter outlet pressure. So those signal voltages plugged in on a good sensor are usually 0.063 to 0.069, and then the inches of mercury read 0.0. If you unplug the sensor and the signal voltages look good and you still have a minus 13 in there, then you need to recalibrate the engine's ECM, and that clears anything that's locked in there. If you do that and you have 0.0 signal voltages because the sensor is unplugged, you'll have a fault on it, obviously, but you're still reading minus 13 after the recalibration. I would recalibrate it one more time with the sensor plugged in, leave it plugged in, and the next time I recalibrate it, I would be looking at the signal voltages to see if they were correct, and if they are and you still see a minus 13, I would suggest that possibly the ECM is having a hardware failure and will have to be replaced. So that's my take on that. Thanks for joining me at Engine Shop Joe. See you soon.